All right, good question. Best people for the Live Good thing, for your Live Good business. All right, look at my screen. At the gym, if you guys go to a gym or drive by a gym, there's always somebody that might be working out. Maybe they're stretching, maybe they're trying to lose weight, but somebody that might enjoy working with this company, selling the products and using the products are obviously athletic people or people trying to lose weight or just want good health. I'm kind of in the middle. I go to the gym a few days a week. I'm not overweight. I eat average half the day and good the other half. I love pretzels and tacos and oh man, all the stuff that we shouldn't eat, but I'm probably right in that category. But people that go to a gym, are excellent for Live Good. They might want to make money as an affiliate or just use the products to gobble up. Work bulletin board. I don't know if you work at like a Walmart or maybe a big factory, but if you want to make business cards, mine just say pleasewatchvideo.com. I bought that domain on GoDaddy for I think it was $11.50, but you can always put, if you want to make business cards at vistaprint.com, you can get a big old stack of 100 of them for like $20. And, the old days of just putting a pin up on a bulletin board with a business card, what the hell? Or maybe just talking about it during your lunch break. I know this is all uncomfortable and old school techniques, but this is basically what are the best people to work with Live Good, use the products. Single parents, people that are single that used to be double. They used to be married. And now they're single. It's like, oh man, I need to make extra money. I want to work at home. And when you're newly divorced, sometimes you're kind of forced into like you have to have extra income to afford if you're paying child support or if you're used to having dual incomes. And when you are divorced, sometimes your income definitely goes 50% one way and 50% the other way. And sometimes moms, when the husband takes off and if there is a divorce, and if he remarries, who knows what happens or vice versa. Sometimes if you're raising the kids and the husband or the wife is the main provider, when you get a divorce, it's scary because you're like, oh my God, I've been raising my kids the last 1, 5, 10, 20 years. Where the person that's been going to work every day and building connections and maybe a resume, they might find it easier to find income either working at home or going to a job, so to speak. But when you're newly divorced or newly single, that can be scary. And an at-home business like this might make sense because for $100, you're good for a year on your membership. And for $40, that's it to be an affiliate. So basically, for less than $150, you got a business and an opportunity of just posting all over the internet to watch a video. Just send them to a link. I'll show you that in just a sec. Outdoor types, people that hike, bike, walk. Anyone active is usually health conscious. They want to lose weight, maybe get their heart up. I'd love to get my cardio like I was in high school. I just remember never having to sleep. I'd sleep like 1 hour, 2 hours. I'd play football all day or baseball, go out, ride my BMX bike, skateboard, stay up late trying to hit on girls. I can't believe the energy you have when you are younger. But when you get older, you got to start watching what you eat. And Live Good is excellent because there's such great wholesale products to make you put the right hat on. Let's put it that way. You got your nutrition hat on, your health conscious hat. And you accidentally still buy those damn Snyder's pretzels on aisle 9. Truck drivers, the trucking business. I've been in the trucking business. A lot of times when you're driving and you're not really exercising or walking, your back and your knees and your legs, they kind of get stiff. They load up. It's very easy to have bad habits by trucking all day, smoking. And if you're not smoking, you might be chewing. But probably worse is snacking. Because everything affordable at truck stops or at Walmart or wherever you buy food is snacks and unhealthy food. It just seems like if it's unhealthy, it's almost free. And if it's health conscious food, my God, it's 50 times more. So, truck drivers, they might like the nutritional value of these products. But I have a handful of truck buddies that are in my downline with this company. And I just told them, just join, be an affiliate. here is a membership, so buy some products. They're cheap, they're wholesale, they're shipped from Florida. But with the spillover, the way this company is, it's pretty exciting because you can make money while not even promoting this as an affiliate. You just got to pay the $40 and wait a year or two. And the spillover, which I'll go over in another video, it adds up to a bunch of quarters off that $10 a month. And if you're lucky enough to get two people underneath you that want to do it as an affiliate, you become a bronze. So those 25-cent pieces become 50-cent pieces. And this is a whole other video. But yes, believe it or not, you can make money with this company by doing absolutely nothing except being an affiliate, one-time fee, and just keep your membership going year by year. If you're retired, I've always thought, because in a handful of years, I'm 60. I can't imagine retiring. I'm not doing LiveGood because I necessarily need the extra money, because I have other income. I love it because it's fun, and I know other people can do it. It's almost like a board game. This is almost like Monopoly to me. But when you're retired, and I don't know if I can retire. I mean, I love movies, maybe going to the park. Maybe I got enough money to go RVing around the country or maybe visit a few places. But at the end of the day, I have to work and do something. I just got to feel valuable. And I know there's a lot of people out there that are probably in the same kind of thought process as me. Sure, you're retired, you paid your dues, you got some money, but you still, God, you want to do something. And LiveGood is just screaming, do me, do me. That's not the best phrase I could think of right now, but if you're retired and you're just at home, you got a computer, a cell phone, and you can watch simple videos on how to be interesting on TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook. I mean, boy, there's a lot of ways that you can promote this business, and you just need a handful of leaders like myself to sign up underneath you. So if you post on social media and you're retired, it don't matter if you're 55, 65, 85, or 105. As long as you know how to post on social media, you can do this business. And if you have a grandson, grandkid, maybe a younger brother, there's a lot of people that might even help you if your eyes are kind of blurry, or maybe you're at the age where you're a little more disabled. But anyway, I think if you're retired, this would be a great, I don't know if you'd call it side hustle, but you can definitely make some good money with this company being retired. Facebook groups, I did a video of this category about an hour ago. Boy, if you got Facebook, just go to the top left of your screen if you have a home computer and go into search. It says search Facebook. Just search for groups of people that want to make money at home. Retired people that want to earn money. How to make money on your computer. Just type in all these phrases. There is so many groups of people that are searching for an opportunity to make money, or they have a product or a company like LiveGood where they're trying to post. And what I do is I just go, after I go to the group, there's a little tab that says people, and it shows everybody that has joined that group. And most groups have 10 to 50 to 100,000 people in each group. There's no way the rest of your life, even if you're 18 years old watching me right now, that you can post to 3 to 4 to 500,000 people the opportunity of LiveGood. And I just go, I only do it 20 times a day, and I just find people that are real. I can see their face. When I see their profile, you can just tell they're real and not a robot or some fake thing that just posts about a business but is not a person. And I just write them a message. I just, I could put this up on my screen, but I put, hey, Bob, if I know their name's Bob, because I only write people that have real names. Hey, Bob, here's an opportunity. Check it out. I think it's worth looking at. And then I have a link to my capture page. That's all I do on Facebook groups, and it's so easy. If you're on my channel right now, just go back 1 or 2 videos from this one, and you'll see how to get unlimited free leads on Facebook. Watch that video. It's like 10 minutes long. I message 2 people live on the video. MLMers, who are those guys? Who are those girls? Are they crazy? Are they just, you want to run when you see them because all they want to do is talk about their multi-level, LMNOP. They just want to LMM and MLM, and oh my God. Don't be one of those. With attraction marketing, believe it or not, you can just post about your life on social media or just talk about the company. You don't ever have to ask anyone to join. All you got to do is just show where your link is. I go to GoDaddy, like I said. I just bought pleasewatchvideo.com. I just tell people to click that link or to go to that domain, watch the 6-minute video. If they want to buy products, great. If they don't, great. If they want to be an affiliate, great. And if they don't, they want to wipe their bum with it. It doesn't matter. All I do is just show people a link. And that's it. I don't do any tutorials or training or nothing. I just do YouTube videos like this just to kind of put out there on the internet my videos that might recruit. Return message to money making emails. Now, if you get email like I do, I'd say damn near 75% of my email every day is complete junk and I can't stand it. But I can tell the difference if it's like an auto-response sponder or if it's like a real person. Because the real person ones, I know they're more desperate to make money because they don't know how to do auto-responding. They don't have a staff. They just go ahead and buy some list or something and they're just desperate and they'll write me an email saying, hey, can you check out this opportunity? It's great. It's awesome. And I'll just write them back and say, hey, thanks for your opportunity. Do me the same. All I can tell you is that in just barely over a month, I'm already at silver status, which is the 3rd level up in this company. And that's unheard of in MLM. And that's because the products are good, but it's only $10 a month plus $40 one-time fee to be an affiliate. It's so affordable to do this. Okay. And I'll go into that later on another video. But right now, realtors, people that are used to commission sales, like even at the gym, people that have to sell gym memberships, the beauty of a realtor or somebody that gets accustomed to the word no, or they know how to go find people to sell something or to give them information or vice versa. The more that I do this business, I'm just not shy, and I haven't been shy by nature anyway. But realtors, they'll do very well because it's all about connections and how to just ask without feeling bad. I'm not embarrassed at all with this company. I'm not an MLM guy. I've been presented MLM opportunities for 35 years, and I just don't do them. I do know they work. I know over $100 billion of sales every year are just spent by Amway, Nu Skin. Oh my God, I just named the most popular ones, but there's thousands and thousands of multi-level marketing companies out there that are just kicking ass. I can't do it. I'm not that guy. I can't do the shampoo, conditioner where it's overinflated 2 or 3 times what it should be because the product sales is where the downline gets paid, so to speak. This company is the un-MLM. The company sells wholesale products for a membership fee. $10 a month or $100 a year. All right. They give you 2 free months if you want to do the 100. There's no auto pay. So every month, if you want to buy the products, you've got to go ahead and click $10, $10, $10. But if you're an affiliate for that $40 one-time fee, if you get a download like I got, you could have 100 people underneath you and you're going to lose it. So just remember, this company does not have auto pay. All right. You don't have to buy products. And if you do, you got 90 days to use them all up and send them back empty. Okay. That's pretty damn cool, isn't it? Okay. So you just got to ask yourself, is this my type of opportunity? Do I just want the products or, hey, I watched the video. No, thanks. That's why I like YouTube. You can just watch the video. I make it one time. I upload it. Sometimes thousands of people see my video, sometimes only 10. But I try my best to just put this opportunity out there. And if people want to do it or not, it's up to you. I'll never ask you to join. I just say, please click this link below. And that's it. That's all I ask. Even on the street, I even say less. Hey, Corey, what are you doing? Here's my card. PleaseWatchVideo.com. I don't give them my email, my social security number, my birth date, and my favorite pony. It's like, here's the link. And if you click it and watch the video and you enter your name into the system that you're interested, I'll make time. That's what it's all about. Plus, I'm not shy. I kind of like to meet people all over the world. And that's what's happening right now. I'm getting a downline that's international, which is pretty darn exciting. So anyway, I hope you look into this opportunity. I really do think that you can make this work. As long as you post with a purpose on TikTok, Instagram, maybe you are pretty good at emails, Facebook, YouTube. There's a lot of free ways with social media you can make this work. And if you have a couple extra bucks, you can always buy some software or some training. But right now, everything I do is free. I don't really need to pay for anything at this point. I just kind of post and, okay, next, what else can I talk about? So anyway, I think you guys get my point about the video. I just appreciate your time. And if I can do a shameless plug, please watch video.com. And my next video is badass, so be sure to sit and watch this next one right now.